Hi, today's date is May 7th, 2019. For today's video source inspection, we have our vibrometer set up here to film a rotor for a customer of ours that's located in Malaysia. I'm not going to share their identity with you, but so they can identify this high-profile 8-inch rotor, an A192-80M. I'm going to say their PO number. It is 279-18. So let me take you through our setup today. I'll go ahead and remove our magnet here. This magnet and cabling leads up to the vibrometer on top of the SRD, but if you look at the window, this is a custom job we do here at SciTech. This is just a simple screw, and we connect to it magnetically. That way we're in the very center of the rinser dryer when we measure vibration. If I can take you up here now, we're measuring in millimeters per second. You'll see this decimal. Just my hand here, it can feel the vibration. Our customer uses microns, and if instead of the decimal, if you just read these three numbers to the right of the decimal, like if a 5 came on this first zero where my finger is, it'd be 500 microns. So that's our measurement. That's how I'm going to describe the video in microns, even though we're actually measuring millimeters per second with our vibrometer. I'm not going to run a full recipe. I'll open the door. We have an empty cassette. The balance of this new rotor is 0 to 25. So we're running at 0. I'm going to go 10, 15 seconds in rinse, 10, 15 seconds in purge, dry 1. Same thing for dry 2, just so we get all the speeds measured. And then I'm going to go to a full cassette. All right, let's get started. Okay, we're in our rinse. So about 100 microns is where we peaked at for the rinse. I'll wait another 5 seconds. We're now hanging at about 66 microns. We're holding steady, or I should say. Okay, we'll move on to this. Purge. So we just peaked at 249 microns, and now we're back down to 83, 71, all the way down to 30, 31, 40. So we're hanging under 60 microns at a steady rate. The tool's running great, and the rotor's very smooth. So we're at, over 1400 RPMs. I'm going to go ahead and move us to a slower speed. The times where the micron spikes is when the harmonic ranges hit for a rotor. It's often between 900 and 1200 RPMs. It's not the same for every rotor though. And so far we've peaked at 249 microns. So we're going to ramp down. Went up to 105, 136, 221. So the peak was 221 microns. Our customer's spec is anything under 500 microns is acceptable. This rotor's ran beautifully at zero wafers. So I'll go ahead and we'll ramp down so I can get the full cassette installed with the full boat of wafers. It's going to tell us that the recipe wasn't successful. That's only because I stopped it earlier. Okay, we'll go ahead and do a quick cassette swap. We could turn off the camera for a second and we'll go from there. All right, we're back. We have a full boat of wafers. And we're going to run another test recipe. Just kind of cycling through once we get our measurements. And I'm saying the absolute worst case scenario when I say the highest number that it goes to. Okay, so 128, 144. We're at 500 RPMs, and 144 has been the peak so far. We'll move on to ramp up our speed. Okay, 204. 204 was the peak. We're now holding steady at about 35 microns. Very smooth. If you need a rotor balance, give us a call at 916-797-9000. We have sales representatives for the entire United States as well as global business. I'm going to go ahead and move us to our dry 2, so we slow back down. 100, 159. Okay, so the absolute most vibration out of the cape, there it was 248. Well within spec. So our website is www.scitechprocess.com. You can see our entire catalog of spare parts and service for semi-tool spinner rinser dryers, as well as all equipment that we can provide to customers worldwide for any wafer fab. We aren't limited to rinser dryers. We also sell a variety of equipment such as box washers, mask cleaners, ellipsometers, profilometers, barrel ashers, etchers, YES ovens, and microscopes. Send us an RFQ through our website or email us direct at sales@scitechprocess.com. Well, I'm going to go ahead and hit next. We were hanging at about 145 microns. The rotor's in great balance and ready for installation in our customer Malaysia's fab. Okay, we're breaking. Also, I do want to share that we are able to sell our vibration testing kit. We provide the vibrometer with a nice carrying case, and we will manufacture a window that will accept the magnet so our customers can measure this. We have provided this to a handful of customers in the United States already. So if you have any questions, call us 916-797-9000. We hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time.